Hi, my name is Mike. Welcome to Terraform Tapas. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe for more bite-sized tips and tricks. I use Terraform every day as one of my main developer tools. Over the course of 2 seasons and 15 different Terraform Tapas videos, I've given you great insight into Terraform and how to best utilize it. With the popularity of Terraform and the adoption of many companies worldwide, Terraform can be very helpful in your tech career. If you're looking for more information after watching the Terraform Tapas series, I highly recommend looking into the HashiCorp certification, Terraform Associate. This is a very helpful starter certification that can help you challenge yourself to learn the ins and outs of Terraform. And these Terraform Tapas videos have been designed closely to reflect the study guide for that certification. Time for the final bonus tip. If you're ready for more Terraform, hop on over to learn.hashicorp.com for some great tutorials, great hands-on lab exercises, and become a Terraform expert yourself. They've been very valuable in teaching me my Terraform skills, and hopefully they can do the same for you. If you have any questions about Terraform or how to use it, feel free to reach out to me. You can find me on Security Level Up on social media. Thank you very much for watching. If you are hungry for more Terraform Tapas, subscribe to Akamai Developer. See you soon!